Hi guys, it's Lena. No one dared me to do this. I'm just gonna do it anyways. I'm going to like mess around with my dog, like dance and like torture her. I'm just gonna mess with her. Here she is right now. Hi, baby. That's Riley. She's with me 24/7. So you can also leave a comment if you want me to do something with her as a day or two. I want her to stay on the couch, but I don't know, so I'm gonna find out. There you go. Good. Come on. Go on the couch. Here, we're gonna stay on the couch. Get on the couch. Go. Come on. Riley. Go. Come on the couch. On the couch. Get up there. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Sit down. Sit. All the way. Sit down. Stay. Stay. Okay. Here I go. Unless you can see me. Oh well. Here I go. Ow! Don't play me!
It's way bigger and I didn't want to drink. Are you kidding me? Who do you think you are? Cindy Crawford, all new Tuesday at 9. Healthy. So what's happening then? We're actually bringing over a date.
Very conservative, just a
Well, we're done with that. As you see, she jumped on me, so, please subscribe, like, and comment any other dares. Thanks. Bye.